Okay, stop scrolling, because if you've got a pair of old jeans sitting around, you're about to see over 25 ways to turn them into something you'll actually want to use again. I'm talking simple, beginner-friendly ideas all the way to some really clever denim transformations that might surprise you. These are the kinds of projects that make you look at your old jeans and think, wait, why haven't I done this before? And here's where it gets fun. I want you to vote for your favorite. As you watch, keep an eye on the number on each idea, then drop that number in the comments because I might recreate the winning project right here on this channel. And if you want to save or check out all 25 plus ideas later, I've got the full Pinterest board linked in the description. All right, let's see which denim idea wins. Your old jeans aren't the end of anything. They're actually the beginning of something new. Upcycling is just turning what you already spent money on into fresh value. Most people look at worn-out denim and think this is done, but what if it's really just the raw material for something better? You already paid for it once, now you get to use it again in a whole new way. That's the part nobody talks about. There's real value sitting right in your closet waiting to be reused. When you upcycle jeans, you're not starting from scratch. You're starting with something that already has structure, strength, and history. That makes it more powerful than buying new fabric. Every cut and every stitch is you giving something familiar a second life. And there's something really satisfying about realizing you didn't need to buy anything, you just needed to see differently. It shifts your mindset from spending to creating, from replacing to repurposing. And the more you do it, the more you start seeing value everywhere, even in things other people throw away. That's not just sewing. That's a way of thinking that saves money, builds confidence, and sparks creativity at the same time. Your jeans already did their job once. Now they get to do it again in a whole new way.